What motivates me to pray is that I believe it works.
We're surrounded by a tremendously needy world, and we lack the means to meet those needs, but we know a God who can.
The only thing that Jesus' disciples asked him to teach them how to do was to pray. We believe in the power of prayer.
We have a very real God, but we also have a very real enemy. Learn how to stand against him using the power of the Word and prayer.
We want to learn how to strategically and scripturally become prayer warriors who pray for ourselves and for other people. What would happen if you became a prayer warrior? What would happen if your church really began to seek the Lord in prayer? We're going to learn about the types of prayer, the ways that God answers, hindrances to prayer that we need to deal with, keys to effective praying, and we're going to experience God to a greater degree in our lives.
Join us for the Battle Plan for Prayer Bible Study.